Welcome back to the old cj5, cj6 transformation build. Me and Buck got to work on the front differential cover and see how that's doing, if it's okay. So we're going to put a locker in the front end, but just checking out to see how it is. We got a new gasket for it, so we're taking the cover off today and seeing how the front Danna 30 differential looks. See how it goes.
Look at this.
Oh,
that right there. Something happened, man.
yeah, look at the bolts, dude. The bolts are fucking chewed up. Here, let me get the camera.
Well, and you didn't do anything to this, right?
No, I didn't.
Because we see that's what the scarring's from.
So let's show them this. So you can see something broke off in here and beat the shit out of everything. Cause look at the bolts and then the housing. We got a bolt broke off on the housing. And that whole pinion is messed up on the outside. I mean, the spiders look. Spiders are in decent shape.
Yeah.
So let's lock in the hub now and turn the pinion. And now turn it. Oh.
That's what I was gonna say. Do we gotta suspend that? But look at that. That's not normal.
Okay, spin it. Oh, yeah, look at that on the.
Yeah.
Woo-wee.
That's a hit.
Dude. What the hell happened there?
Is it on the other side? Oh yeah.
Oh, wow. Man, it chewed that thing up. What the hell happened? I don't know when it did that. Because there's nothing in there now.
Well, who knows, man? Maybe it happened before you even bought it, and then they replaced the spiders, or I don't know, man.
Wow.
Because, I mean, obviously.
I mean, what's funny is the pinion looks fine.
Yeah. You stick it on there and I'll start a bolt.
We just found another problem.
Hey, what do you know? That's all right. We already said this is going to be a perfect Jeep, so. And now it's protected and beautiful and clean.
I don't know.
You're doing the star pattern?
Yeah, I just snug it.
Oh, okay.
Got the gasket replaced. Got the. Found out we got some problems.
Couple of issues. Small speed bumps.
But we're throwing a locker in it anyways, so.
Yeah.
But yeah, they got a plugged up air vent with RTV silicone sealant. Hey, that's it for this weekend. Me and Buck got that front diff cover off, and looks horrific. Something bad happened back in the day.
You'll see pictures of it.
It's bad. It's bad. But that's it for this weekend, and I'll see you guys on the next one.